How to enroll in Chase Bank. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can sign up for a new account on Chase Bank. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your web browser or your Chase application. There you're just going to have to search for Chase, hit enter, and then go to chase.com. Now just make sure that you open the official website, and if you are on the app you'll find the sign in or the sign up button. You just have to tap on it at the top right corner of your screen. Once you head over to the sign-in page, just wait for a bit and you'll see the login portal right here. So right at the bottom of the sign-in button, you have forgot password, and then right below that you have not enrolled, sign up now button. Just go ahead and tap on this if you already don't have an account, and then you'll be taken to the sign up page. So the first thing you're going to have to choose is what kind of account you want to create. So the first one is personal, then business or commercial. Most of you would go with the personal account. Then you are going to have to enter your account card or application number, then your social security number. Then you're going to have to create a username for your account that you're going to use to sign in. And then tap on next. Now on the next page, you'll be asked for some of your details like your card number and other stuff like your personal information, address, and you just have to go through all of them, provide them the information they're asking for, and then you'll get an email or phone that you have provided. Then you just have to confirm your account and you should be able to enroll and create a new account on Chase. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.